to bring you today 5 fun facts about the Vikings. So grab your helmet, jump in your longboat, and let's go.
Our first fact. What does Viking actually mean? Well, in Old Norse, Viking means to be a pirate or to go on a raid. So a Viking could go Viking. But of course the Vikings wouldn't actually call themselves Viking because the term was coined much later on.
Vikings loved skiing. In fact, skiing was invented in Scandinavia around about 6,000 years ago. They would ski for both fun and for transportation. There was even a god of skiing. I'll try and get the pronunciation on this right. Allur. It might be Allur. It might even be Alan, god of skiing.
Despite what popular TV shows and films and books may tell you, Vikings didn't actually have little horns on their helmets. In fact, no Viking helmet has ever been found by archaeologists with horns on top of it. Because let's face it, it would be really, really tricky to fight with big old horns on top of your helmet.
Vikings were amazing navigators and travelled all over the world, partly thanks to their amazing, super technologically advanced vessels, the longboat or longship. They even made it to America 500 years before Christopher Columbus. Good going, Vikings!
Vikings were very clean people. In fact, they used to wash themselves at least once a week, which is far more often than those stinky Anglo-Saxons. They used to love being clean so much that they created various different implements to help them out, like tweezers and razors and little combs out of animal bone, just to make sure that they looked as pretty as possible.
And that brings us to the end of our 5 fun facts. That's 10. 5 fun facts about the Vikings. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe with all your family, friends, even people you don't like. Share it with people that you hate. Bring them some joy too. Okay, bye everybody!